we lost so much that we have a number of players in the gym who I think can contribute when they learn what it is we need them to do and what's expected at the collegiate level. Some of them are pretty young. I mean, we had 9 freshmen last year. We have 5 this year. 13 of the 17 players are freshman or sophomore eligibility. So even though some of them have national championship rings and played, they don't necessarily know. They know, what do they know now? They know that Ari and Blair and Alyssa and Kathy and Jess and Fatima were very special people that worked really hard and kept the level of the program a lot higher. So it's a process. We didn't just fall into winning the first national championship, and last year's national championship we may not have been the best team, but we were the best team at the end of the year, and we played well when we had to, and I think we'll work hard and we'll do the things we have to do to be competitive. I don't really know. I can't predict. I certainly don't know. I didn't think we were the #1 team in the country last year, but I thought we got better as the season progressed, and we had a game plan, and I rested some players in key matches because I thought it was more important to try and win the national championship than have a consecutive game winning streak. And I think in that case it worked out good for us. So this year is a little different. We have new people, and I'm not really sure. We may play more people than we played the last few years, but still, that's not necessarily a good thing. It's just that's what's happening in practice every day. Some people are playing good one day, and the next day they're stinking out the place.
I feel much better. It's been a long time since I've gotten to play, so I'm pretty hungry to get back on the court. But I'm surrounded by a lot of good players, and so I feel like I'm getting pushed a lot in practice. We're having to fight for every position, and so it's been a tough preseason. It's been a tough couple workouts, but I'm excited to put on that jersey again. So
members of the team.
Yeah, I think there is more responsibility because I've been able to play my freshman year, and then I also got to watch a lot last year, and so I got to learn the game from different perspectives, and so hopefully that'll bring something that I'll be able to bring something that maybe other people haven't experienced, and a different side of leadership, and so I think it could be helpful, yes.
Like you guys said, we're a young team, but we've had the benefit of learning from a lot of great seniors last year. I know I was always watching Ariel Wilson and Fatima Balza and seeing what they were doing because they both brought different qualities to the table that were really good, and I was able to learn a lot from them. So I think that this year I can take what I learned and apply it and also help the freshmen with what I've learned.
I think the freshmen have been, up and down. Their low side has been pretty bad, but I think their upside has been really positive. I think Dom has really played very well in the preseason and is making a strong push to be considered for the libero spot. And I think Lacey plays as hard as any kid we've had for a long time in the back row. Micah is going to be a very good college volleyball player, and Ayana and Nia are both kids that I would expect at times to play this year, depending on how they continue to progress. I kind of hand them off to Dennis, and he's been working well with them, and he's doing a great job with them. And Kalina's working with the back row kids, so I trust that the staff is trying to get the kids better, and we'll see. But I think all 5 of them are good players, and I can see them having bright futures at Penn State volleyball.